At least 192 people are dead and 30 missing as persistent downpours trigger flooding and landslides in Nepal, closing major roads and disrupting domestic air travel. Some parts of the capital reported rain of up to 322.2 mm, pushing the level of its main Bagmati River past the danger mark. Weather officials blame the rainstorms on a low-pressure system in the Bay of Bengal, extending over parts of neighboring India close to Nepal. The impact of the rains was aggravated by poor drainage due to unplanned settlement and urbanization efforts, construction of floodplains, lack of areas for water retention and encroachment on the Bagmati River. All right, let's go across to Kathmandu in Nepal, where DD India's Shweta Singh is joining us live. Shweta, the death toll from the floods and landslides caused by heavy rainfall in Nepal has increased, and floods have brought traffic and daily life to a halt. What is the current situation?
Actually, till now, death toll goes to 192. Though there has been no rain since yesterday morning, but the people already who were missing, they have not been found. Like 30 people are yet missing, and so 64 were earlier missing yesterday morning. So now that missing lot have gone to a dead lot, becoming 192. Relief material has been provided to the people who have been rescued, like 4,500 people have been rescued from landslide and flood situation, and they have been provided relief material, food. But actually, I would say because weather is fine now, you see in the background, we have cloud, but it's not going to rain perhaps, assuming that, because a little bit more of rain, flood situation will aggravate again. So,
Shweta, you said that there has been no rain since yesterday, but what is the forecast in the next 2-3 days? And also tell us more about the rescue operations too, and till when the current situation is likely to persist.
Department of Hydrology and Meteorology have had forecasted that till today, Monday afternoon, there would be rain. But it was, I think, prayers of people and wishes of many that rain didn't happen and flood situation didn't aggravate. But already that 3 days of incessant rain that caused such a havoc. It was like so many people lost life, more than 4,500 many people were displaced. They had to be rehabilitated. So you see, Nepal Army and Armed Nepal Police Force are really working regular 24/7 to provide relief material to the people who have been affected by flood. So they have been taken to higher land. They have been provided relief material, and they are working, because yesterday night I remember at 10 o'clock I saw several trucks with Nepal Army crossing the road, and they were in that grave situation. They were trying to pull up, be singing songs. So I felt like in such a grime situation, people are trying to help each other, be normal, in a sane mind. So it is really tough for last 3 days. I definitely I can say that.
All right, Shweta, we'll leave it at that. Thank you for getting us the latest from Kathmandu.